name's Rob Purdue. I'm a director with Gallagher Jeffs. We're an independent property advisory and project management practice which has been in business for more than 25 years. We have 40 professional staff and we have offices in Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane. Our projects have covered a wide range of the construction sector, including commercial offices, education, retail and industrial projects. But importantly, the residential sector is a core part of our business. Past projects have included such milestones as the Eureka Tower, the tallest residential building in Melbourne, as well as the Mona Gallery in Hobart. Our project scope covers all aspects from project initiation, design and planning, approvals, tendering and the construction delivery phase. The Noxia project has been through many of these phases already. It has been to tender with construction contractors. We're currently analysing and negotiating these contracts and expect to award a contract to a successful builder very shortly. On the basis of that award, the project will be going to construction towards the end of this year or early in the new year.
In respect to the Noxia project, we're the architects and interior designers for Noxia. It's a privilege to be involved in a project such as this. The project has been designed to sit within the local environment and respond to the context within which we are working and living in here in Wantirna. The project is basically a high-end residential project which responds to the environment and is surrounded by the Dandenong Ranges. So the project's been designed as an undulating building which is stepped to respond to the Dandenong Ranges which are in the distance, as well as being surrounded by lots of lovely natural trees and gardens and so forth. The project itself is a multi-level residential building which, as you can see from this perspective, is 6 stories. I'll show you here, it steps up in terms of the rhythm of the building, the context of the Dandenongs and the hills in the background is also represented by the form of the building. The building surrounds a courtyard, which is in this area at the back here, and we have a lovely landscaped courtyard. So the building sits within a lovely landscaped environment. The building also has to respond to the surrounding area, which is mainly residential. So the building is pushed towards the front of the site, and then towards the back we have it layered down in smaller scale with a row of townhouses which respond to the residential components of the surrounding areas. So the building itself has 87 apartments arranged over 6 levels and 7 townhouses. The apartments themselves have been designed to extend the interior out to the exterior and therefore extend out onto lovely landscaped courtyards at the ground level and terraces which then capture the views into the distance beyond. So there's this great inside-outside relationship. We're really conscious of extending the internal spaces to the external spaces and capturing the environment and bringing it in. And then within the building we have beautifully designed family spaces, which are the living, dining, kitchen spaces, so they're the open spaces, as well as very carefully crafted bathrooms. So within the living space, we have the living rooms which open onto the balconies. There's a very good connection between the living space and the external spaces, so that the balconies and the living spaces extend as if they're one. So there's an open space and a much larger feeling of open space within the building itself, and the environment comes in. The kitchens are designed so that they actually are part of the living space. The kitchen itself has a high quality bench and cupboard unit which encourages cooking within these spaces. Every apartment has an open kitchen, living, dining space. The bathrooms are also very carefully designed with beautiful finishes. So we've very carefully laid out the materials and the arrangement in the bathrooms. So they're very highly crafted and they're very carefully laid out so people can see that the building has quality from every aspect and every detail. And we're very proud of how the buildings actually come up in terms of all the elements and details.